Olivia Tuwetender.
My name is Nadia Miriam Setiawati.
Explanation of passive voice. Passive voice is a sentence where the subject receives the word or action of the verb rather than carrying out of the action. Next,
Pattern passive voice. Number 1. Simple present tense. It is object plus is, am, are plus verb 3 plus where plus object or pronoun. Number 2. Simple past tense. It is object plus was or were plus verb 3 plus by plus object or pronoun. Number 3. Simple future tense. It is object plus shall or will plus verb 3 plus by plus object or pronoun. Number 4. Present continuous tense. It is object plus am is are plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object or pronoun. Number 5. Past continuous tense. It is object plus was or were plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object or pronoun. Number 6. Future continuous tense. It is object plus shall or will plus verb 3 plus by plus object or pronoun. Number 7. Present perfect tense. It is object plus have or has plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus object or pronoun. Number 8. Past perfect tense. It is object plus had plus been plus verb 3 plus by plus object or pronoun. Number 9. Future perfect tense. It is object plus shall or will plus have been plus verb 3 plus by plus object or pronoun.
Change active voice to passive voice. To change a sentence from active passive voice to the following. 1. Move the active sentence direct object into the sentence subject slot. 2. Place the active sentence subject into a phrase beginning with the proportion be. 3. Add a form of the auxiliary verb to be the main verb and change the main verb's form. Example of passive voice. Number 1. Passive is asking is about my sister after school. Active, my sister best is active. Example of passive voice. Number 1. Passive, ice cream is bought my sister after school. Active, my sister buy is ice cream after school. Number 2. Active, I will hit my headmaster. Passive, headmaster will have been hit by me. Number 3. Passive, mom was helped by the security open the door. Active, the security helped mom to open the door. Thank you.
That's enough of our presentation. Thank you for listening.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi